it's a good idea to get everything all torqued down. You'll think you'll find that everything should be around 10 to 11 newton meters for all this kind of hardware on the engine. I wasn't happy with the way the quadrant was moving and discovered that somebody had taken all the quadrant to bits and put the spring in the wrong place. Now, I didn't want to take the quadrant off, so I found a cable tie, looped it around the spring, and I managed to guide it around to the correct peg. And that way I had a proper movement and snap back on the oil pump again. This is one of the most important things on the job, is to make sure you got a 100% guaranteed working oil delivery system. This is what keeps your engine alive. Any air in the system now means that your engine will fail on you, and you don't want that. Simply undo the screw, let all the air out, you'll see oil trickling out of it, and just wait until probably about another 30-40 seconds, close the screw, then that's the job done. You know you've got oil in the pump and it's primed.